we are your teacher for today in Health 2. And you will act as our student in Health 2.
So before we start, let's have an energizer first. So we have
Can you all stand up, class, and we will sing a song? This is the way.
okay.
Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
Wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. This is the way we put our clothes, put our clothes, put our clothes. This is the way we put our clothes early in the morning. That's all. Very good. You may now sit down.
So did you enjoy dancing and singing, class?
Opo.
Alright, very good. So tahimik natin. Makinig. So, do you still remember our lesson last meeting, class?
Yes.
What is it all about?
About worms.
Very good. It's all about worm infestation, right?
Yes.
So, can you give some example of worm, class? Alpha.
Hookworm.
Very good. How about the other one?
Tapeworms.
Alright, very good. Another hand? Wenny.
Pinworms.
Very good. So you you give example, correct? So how about some symptoms if we got infested by those kinds of worms? Jessa.
Abdominal pain.
Very good.
Vomiting.
Very good. Wenny.
Nausea.
Very good. And Rachel?
Fever.
Very good. So once we infested by those worms, we can get sick and we can be unhealthy person. So now I am glad that you still remember and understand our lesson.
Now, class, are you ready to proceed to our new lesson?
Oh,
Yes.
teacher.
Since you are ready to proceed to our new lesson, I have here a picture of a girl. So, please observe the two girls and later on I will ask you some questions. Are you done observing, class?
Yes, teacher.
Why do you think the girl is dirty? Yes, Alpha.
Teacher, maybe she played at the park.
Yes, the girl is dirty maybe because she played at the park. So, is this girl prone to germs? Yes. So, how can you help her to remove the germs in her body?
Brush it away.
Flush it away. Okay, very good. All your answers are correct.
Okay, so now class, I have here different objects that we use and can be seen in our home. So can you guess what is this objects, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so first, what is this?
Lotion?
Shampoo! Okay, a shampoo. So saan natin ginagamit ang shampoo?
Sa hair!
Good. How about this one?
Comb.
So saan natin ginagamit ang comb?
Sa hair.
Sa hair. For combing our hair. How about this one?
Toothbrush.
Okay, so saan natin ginagamit ang toothbrush, class?
Sa teeth.
Very good.
Teacher, bakit yung toothbrush? Eh, di ba pag nag-brush madami, without teeth brush?
It is what it is. How about this one?
Patul.
Scrub. Yes, scrub.
Scrub.
Ito is parang DIY lang. So, patula, lupa, ginagamit natin to scrub our bag. Okay. So, how about this one?
Toothpaste.
Paste. And saan natin ito ginagamit?
Sa toothbrush.
Okay. Sa toothbrush and in brushing our teeth. And how about this one?
So,
So, saan natin ginagamit ito, class?
sa
Skin. To remove the dirt in our skin. And how about this one?
Mirror.
So, sino gumagamit sa inyo ng mirror? Okay, so
Mirror.
and lastly, what is this?
Towel.
And saan natin ito ginagamit, class?
To dry ourselves.
Good. So, these objects has something to do with our lesson today. So, are you all ready to learn something new?
Yes, teacher.
Very good.
Okay, children, are you now ready to have our new lesson?
Yes, teacher.
So, what do you think our lesson today, based on the things that teacher Grace showed to you? About personal hygiene. That's right. So, Annie is correct. So, ang lesson natin today is about personal hygiene. So, ulitin nga natin.
Personal hygiene.
So, ano nga ba ang personal hygiene? Sino mayroong ideya sa inyo kung ano ang personal hygiene? Wala. Kung ganon, basahin natin kung ano meaning ng personal hygiene. So, personal hygiene,
The principle of maintaining cleanliness of one's body and clothing to preserve overall health and well-being.
so sabi dito, ang personal hygiene, ito yung tumutulong sa atin para tayo ay maging malinis sa katawan. Kayo ba mga bata malinis kayo sa katawan?
Minsan po.
Minsan? Bakit minsan lang, Wendy?
Kasi po pag galing kami nag-play outside, madirty na teacher.
Opo, pero pagdating natin ng bahay, ano gagawin natin?
Nagtitin po.
Tama. So, kinipin natin yung katawan natin. So, sa araw na ito, mayroon tayong 4 na tatalakayin para mapanatiling malinis ang ating katawan. So, una ay ang take regular shower. Pangalawa, always brush your teeth. Pangatlo, wash your hands frequently. At ang pang-apat ay keep your clothes and surrounding dry and clean. So, ang una natin ay take shower regularly. So, sino dito ang laging naliligo? Araw-araw ba kayo naliligo, mga bata?
Yes!
Bago kayo pumasok sa school, anong ginawa ninyo? Naligo ba kayo?
Opo.
Oo. So, basahin natin kung anong meaning ng pagligo.
Make sure to rinse your body thoroughly. Use soap and shampoo in washing your body.
So, mga bata, kapag naliligo kayo, gumagamit ba kayo ng shampoo?
Opo. Teacher, yung shampoo namin sabon din.
Bakit?
Sabi ni mga para tipid teacher.
Oo, pwede naman nyo para tipid tayo. Pero mas maganda na kapag gagamit natin sa ating buhok ay shampoo at ang sabon sa ating katawan. So, malinaw ba mga bata?
Okay, next naman.
to the third, personal hygiene. So, can you all read the third personal hygiene?
Wash your hands frequently.
So, naguhugas ba kayo ng kamay frequently, class?
Ano po
Opo.
frequently?
Madalas?
Madalas.
Yes.
Opo.
So, kailan kayo naguhugas ng kamay mga bata?
Bago kumain.
Bago kumain? Pagkatapos kumain?
After mag-play, teacher.
After mag-play. So, let us all read what wash your hands frequently means.
The act of cleaning one's hand with soap or hand wash and water. Best way to remove germs and avoid getting sick.
So, yung paghuhugas ng kamay, isa siyang magandang gawain ng mga, lalong-lalo na ng mga batang tulad nyo kasi ma-avoid nyo yung magkasakit kapag yung hinuhugasan nyo yung kamay nyo frequently. So, yun lang.
Okay, class. So, we have the fourth step na gagawin natin to clean our self. So, can we all read?
Keep your clothes and surrounding dry and clean. Wash your dirty clothes to help remove bacteria, dirt, and other irritants or infection.
Anong irritant?
Okay, so, since mga bata pa kayo, sino ang nag-wash ng clothes ninyo mga class? Sino ang naglalaban ng mga damit ninyo? Si Mama po. Nanay. So, kapag galing kayo sa labas at nadumihan ang inyong mga damit, kailangan is balitan natin ito para hindi tayo maging madumi. Maging madumi. So, kapag magpapalit tayo at lalabhan ito ni nanay at ni nanay. Okay, so,
Nanay lang, teacher.
kapag kaya mong tulungan si nanay mo, pwede mo tulungan si nanay mong maglaba.
Sa amin, teacher, si tatay.
Magaling si tatay. Okay? So, ngayon, since you know the 4 steps to preserve overall health and well-being, gagawin natin is anong mangyayari kapag nagawa natin itong 4 na to. Pag na-brush natin ang teeth natin, nagiging malinis. So, So, yung, ano ba tawag dito? So, the germs in our teeth ay mawawala. So, wash your hands frequently. So, ayan. And then, keep your clothes surrounding dry and clean. And, yung una, so, kapag nagawa lahat natin to, ang mga germs at mga dumi sa ating katawan ay malilinis. So, kapag malinis na siya, ano mangyayari? Happy na ang isang bata.
Teacher, ba't wala siyang neck?
Natakpan ng baba niya. Ano kasi, mataba kasi siya. Natatakpan pa rin kanya.
Wala,
Okay, so, that's...
Tataba, walang leeg.
Ngayon na mga bata, naintindihan niyo ba ang ating lesson ngayong araw?
Opo!
Ano na ulit ang ating lesson?
Personal hygiene.
Ngayon, handa na ba kayo para sa ating bangkat ng gawain?
Opo!
Kung ganon, magkakaroon tayo ng game. Kung saan meron tayong mga station, 4 na station at kahit ngayon, bubunod kayo kung anong station kayo. So, ang unang station ay i-determine nyo kung paano yung proper brushing of teeth. Ang pangalawang station naman ang makakabunot ng number 2 ay ang proper hand washing. Ang pangatlo ay ang taking a bath. At ang pang-apat naman ay washing of clothes. So, handa na ba kayo mga bata?
Opo.
So, pupunot kayo tapos, ilalagay natin yung station nyo dito. And then, pupunta kayo sa likod. Tapos, gagawin ninyo kung ano yung naka-assign sa inyo. So, malinaw ba mga bata?
Opo.
Sige, bumunot na kayo. Okay, so bibigyan ko kayo ng 2 minuto para ang pag-isipan kung ano yung mga gagawin.
Teacher, madaya sila nagpapalit.
Bakit nagpapalitan? So dito, pipesto si Station 1. Dito naman si Station 2, Station 3, at si Station 4 para makita natin na mabuti kung ano yung gagawin ninyo. So handa na ba kayo mga bata?
Opo.
Kung handa na, pumunta na kayo sa mga station nyo. So, handa na ba kayo mga bata?
Opo.
So, bago natin sila panoorin, bigyan mo natin sila ng pampaganang palakpak. So, bigyan natin sila ng good luck clap. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good luck! So, Station 1, handa ka na ba?
Opo.
Sige.
Meron akong toothpaste and toothbrush. Brushing your teeth.
So, tama ba yung ginawa sa Station 1?
Opo.
So, bigyan natin siya ng 3 palakpak. Station 2, handa ka na ba?
Yes po. So, proper hand washing. Meron po akong soap. Tapos, syempre, ilalagay na rin po sa hands. Pero, syempre, basa din po yung kamay natin. Of course. Tapos, ganun po.
So, tama ba yung ginawa sa Station 2?
Opo.
So, bigyan rin natin siya ng 3 palakpak. Station 3, handa ka na ba?
Opo,
Hindi namin marinig. Handa ka na ba Station 3?
Opo, teacher.
Handa na si Station 3.
Teacher, yung nabunod ko po, taking a bath. Ito po yung timba ko. Maliit lang. Teacher, diba dapat nakubad siya?
Siyempre, i-demonstrate tanong. Station 3 yung gagawin pag maliligo tayo.
Ito po yung tabo ko, teacher. Ito po yung shampoo ko, teacher. Lalagay siya sa buhok. Tapos, nagsasabon po. Sabon. Tapos, magbabalaw na po, teacher. Teacher, nagkilo. Tapos, teacher. Hindi siya nangilo, teacher. Gamitin mo yung lupa. Gusto na. Teacher, gusto po, teacher. Pantanggal po ng libang.
Tama. So, tama ba yung ginawa ng Station 3?
Opo.
Oo, tama. So, bigyan natin siya ng 3 palakpak. Station 4, handa ka na ba?
Yes po.
Hindi namin marinig. Handa ka na ba?
Yes po.
Sabihin, handa na ako.
Handa na ako. Teacher, nabunod ko po washing clothes. So, ito po yung clothes ko na madumi. And then, iwawash ko po siya.
Wala siyang baby.
Teacher, wala siyang washing machine. Mahirap lang po kami, teacher. Wala kami
Pwede
washing.
tayo gumamit
Hindi po
ng
yan.
washing machine. Pwede rin tayong mag
Hand wash. Ayan.
So, tama ba yung ginawa ng Station 4?
Opo.
So, bigyan natin siya ng 3 palakpak. Guys, so maraming salamat mga bata sa inyong partisipasyon sa ating grupong gawain.
Okay, class, did you enjoy your activity with your group mates?
Yes!
Now we will have our individual activity. So the direction is match the column A with the column B. So I will give you a worksheet so you can answer in the paper. And then later on, after you answer, pass it to me, okay?
Yes!
Alright, so I will give you enough time to answer. So answer na class. So are you done, class?
Yes,
So
teacher.
let me have your papers and I will check it later.
So performing this or having this basic personal hygiene is such a good thing for ourselves, right, class?
Yes,
So
teacher.
why do we need to have a good hygiene, class? Anyone? Yes.
To prevent illnesses.
Yes, we need to have a good hygiene to prevent illnesses. So, what might happen if we have a poor hygiene?
Magkakasakit, teacher.
Magkakasakit, tama si Alpha. So, class, do you have a proper hygiene?
Yes.
So, it is good that you have a proper hygiene. So, why is it important to have a proper hygiene, class?
To be steady all the time.
Para maging mabango,
That's
teacher.
right. Yes, para maging mabango.
Tapos maraming palaro.
And maraming kalaro. So, very good. Class, bigyan natin yung mga sarili natin ng 5 palakpak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, again class, what was our lesson all about?
Personal hygiene.
Okay, so how do we keep ourselves neat and clean?
By washing our face.
Okay, what else?
Washing your teeth.
Okay, brush your teeth, wash your hands, and what are we going to do with our dirty clothes?
Wash.
Wash and eat. Alright, so all of your answers are correct. So I guess you are ready for your quiz.
Now, children, for your quiz, I have here a paper that you are going to answer. So, I will give you one each, and then you are going to answer it. So, tapos na ba kayo mga bata?
Opo.
So kung gano'n, ipasa na ninyo dito sa harapan at aking i-check ito at ibibigay ko sa inyo bukas para malaman nyo ang inyong nakuhang score.
Alright, for your assignment, can you read this one, class? The
Select the box that applies to you.
Alright, so do you understand your assignment, class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good.
Collecting orders. Ayan. Thank you, class, for listening today. You may